Namaste everyone, this is Richa. Welcome to my channel. At my channel you will learn Excel from scratch. So let's start. Today I will tell you the ways to open Excel file. So there's many ways. First is press window button, or you can click here or you can click here. Okay, and type Excel and click on Excel icon. Okay, Excel file. Okay, now the second way. Second way is click right button of your mouse, go to new and select Microsoft Excel worksheet. A file is created. You can rename it or you can use it as it was. That is second way. Now the third way, press window button from your keyboard with R. Run command will open. Type here Excel and press enter, or you can click on OK button. And this is the third way to open Excel file. So these are 3 ways to open Excel. We'll learn about tabs and element of Excel in next video. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe my channel.